Now, this better solution we're going to explore is the Riverpod package, a third-party package which you can use to manage cross-widget state in Flutter applications. Now, I will say right away that it's not the only way of managing cross-widget state. And there are many other packages as well. For example, also the provider package, which is also very popular, but which was created by the same creators as Riverpod. And Riverpod simply is the more modern and better version of that provider package, which is why we're using this one here in this course. But there are different alternatives, which you definitely also might want to check out. But here we're going to use Riverpod. And Riverpod is a package that is all about simplifying the process of managing cross-widget state. So therefore, to use it, we first of all have to install it. And to install it, we have to use this package name. And we can then run flutter pub add and then this package name in our project folder in the terminal. So this now adds Flutter Riverpod as a dependency, as a third-party package to this project. And with that, we can now use this package here.